Great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. To our well-esteemed guest speaker, Ms. Jubel B. Valderrama. Our graduation confirming official, Ma'am Emerita B. Reyes. Our public school district supervisor, Ma'am Cristita C. Bitison. To our dynamic school principal, Ma'am Leia B. Dado. To our very supportive barangay official, Barangay Captain Danilo B. Balester, and Barangay Councilor Sherry Lou Agripa, Sangguniang Bayan Representative, GPTA Officer, dear teachers, proud parents, co-graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today marks a memorable day for us. Just a few minutes from now, we will be receiving our long-awaited diploma after 7 years of hard work in elementary education. The excellence of our academic performance will be now given recognition. The search and struggle for intellectual, emotional, social, and spiritual growth have now temporarily ended to prepare us for a greater challenge at secondary level. We are happy to be with you this afternoon, dear teachers and parents. You have sacrificed a lot for our sakes. You have given us everything we need. All our accomplishments are dedicated to you. Parents, teachers, fellow graduates, this is our special day. We have all worked hard for this. So let us relish it, enjoy the moment, welcome it with a smile on our face, pride in our hearts, and resilience in our soul. To my classmate, let me salute you. We have finally made it. We have bravely faced the challenges. We have realized one of our dreams. So, on behalf of the graduating class of 2024 to 2025, I wish to welcome you all to the 58th graduation exercise of San Isidro Elementary School. Welcome, everyone.
Thank you very much, Tiffany, for the very wonderful, heartwarming welcome.
Now, let us welcome the graduating class of 2025 as they will be performing their chorus singing.
Teachers, school staff, parents, and partners who have been part of this shared journey. This year's theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas. This underscores our collective effort in strengthening graduates, teachers, barangay council, and visitors, isang mapagpalayang hapon po sa inyong lahat. We are gathered here today to celebrate and witness a remarkable milestone of our graduate students as they officially embrace their commencement to their next journey in education. As students entering into higher steps in learning, it is important that you carry out the good values harvested in this school and embrace your flaws as lessons. Your batch of students will soon become a batch of the junior and senior high schools. Will soon become a batch of the degree holders in college. And eventually, a batch of professionals and achievers. Graduates, you are the future adults in the society. So be prepared to build and equip yourselves as you face greater things in life. Equip yourself with good values, knowledge, strength, and discipline because there are so much things ahead of you. As early as now, I encourage you to discover your potentials, develop your skills and passion, motivate yourself, and surround yourself with good people. At a young age, where you are at most vulnerable, learn to select your sphere of influence, your circle of friends. Transitioning from youth to adulthood is the most vulnerable stage that you will go through. It is where your paths grow branches and brings confusion. This is not to scare you, graduates, but these are reality scenarios that you must avoid when you're all grown-ups. We, adults in the community, are responsible in molding young generations as we go along our Philippine Development Plan. The PDP Ambisyon Natin 2040 includes the aim for matatag, maginhawa, at panatag na buhay para sa lahat. Now may I request the graduates to go to your parents or guardians, please. And embrace your parents. Oh. And say, salamat mama.
Kay Tess.
Oh. Alam ni Iya. Salamat Mama and Papa.
Apuyan Jacob Bandomo. Ayala Jared Rodriguez. Ballester Bex Ricarte. Banastao Ezequiel. Marina Daniel Aniel Rebo. Gravito RJ Enyosa. Gravito Floyd Perez. Longasa Kyle Jenard Abrera. Rodriguez Adrian Joro Bonilla. Yes, Emerson Laxinto. Exai Jerome. Valladolid Michael Ang. Class of 2020
Bansale. Kuya Mar Tristan Amor. Labrador Kervin Reese Balabaldo. Ricuyo Mark Andrew Valderrama. Class of 2025, Grade 6, Aqua Female. Banyares Katrina Balasta. Basas Charmel Labayo. Bendol Alia Tiffany Valderrama. Gallardo Dindi Valderrama. Gravito Ernestine Rodriguez. Leron. Let me read to you the citation of their certificates. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 5, Bicol, Division of Albay, District of Santo Domingo, San Isidro Elementary School. This certifies that has satisfactorily completed the requirements for elementary school as prescribed by the Department of Education for Republic Act 10157 and is therefore awarded this certificate. Signed in Albay, Philippines on the 14th Department of Education, Region 5 Bicol Schools Division Office of Albay, Santo Domingo District, San Isidro Elementary School, award this Academic Excellence Award to Floyd Cale P. Gravito with honors for his or her outstanding academic performance and achievement for school year 2024-2025. Given this 14th day of April 2025, during the 58th graduation exercises 2025 and recognition rights in social sciences for showing great efforts in his or her academics during the school year 2024-2025. Another certificate of recognition is also given to Floyd Cale P. Gravito for consistently demonstrated and dutifully carrying out the core values, makatao, makadiyos, makakalikasan at makabansa of the Department of Education for the school year 2024-2025 as stipulated in DepEd Order. I request the proud parents to please accompany your son. Another certificate of recognition for being best in communication arts. And also certificate of participation for joining the 2024 Bicol Regional Scouts Jamboree and 2024 simultaneous school-based camp-ride. Let us give them a big round of applause. Another Academic Excellence Award to Christianel B. Kayab with honors. Christianel will also receive Certificate of Recognition for being a conduct awardee. She will also receive Certificate of Achievement for her consistent attendance for school year 2024-2025, thus hereby dubbed as Perfect Attendance Awardee of Class 2025. Na perfect niya po yung attendance. Okay, let us give her a big round of applause. And also, she will receive a certificate of participation for joining the synchronized overnight and day camp held last September 13 to 14, 2024 at Lidog Elementary School. Christianel will also receive certificate of commendation for being the outstanding leadership performance as Vice President of the Supreme Elementary Learner Government or SELG for school year 2024 and 2025. Another Academic Excellence Award to Malia Eris B. Tato with honors. Malia will also receive Certificate of Recognition for being best in mathematics. She will also receive another Certificate of Recognition for being best in science. And also another certificate for being best in communication arts. Malia will also receive Certificate of Recognition for being a Kandan Awardee for school year 2024-2025. Certificate of Recognition for being best in communication arts. She will also receive Certificate of Recognition for being a conduct awardee. Okay, congratulations to all the academic awardee of grade 6 Math. We have here Academic Excellence Award to Avi Angel B. Balin with honors. Avi will also receive Certificate of Recognition for being best in arts. Okay, another Certificate of Recognition to Avi Angel Balin for his outstanding performance in campus journalism for showing exemplary performance and bringing pride to San Isidro Elementary School in the field of campus journalism for school year 2024-2025. So, Avi Angel Balin got first place in editorial cartooning Filipino in the District Schools Press Conference and first place also in the same event in the cluster level. He will also receive Certificate of Recognition for being a conduct awardee. And also for being the Perfect Attendance Awardee of Class 2025. Next, Academic Excellence Award to Aliyah Tiffany B. Bendol with honors. Aliyah will also receive Certificate of Recognition for for being best in communication arts. They will also receive another certificate of recognition for her outstanding performance in campus journalism. So she placed first on the district press conference in column writing and also a qualifier in master level. She will also receive certificate of recognition for being a conduct awardee. She will also receive another certificate of participation in joining synchronized overnight and day camp. Another Academic Excellence Award to Janisa B. Liron with honors. Janisa will also receive certificate of recognition for being a conduct awardee. And also another certificate of recognition for joining the synchronized overnight and day camp. We have also Academic Excellence Award to Desiree O. Villarreal with honors. Desiree will also receive certificate of recognition for being best in mathematics. And also another certificate of recognition for being a conduct awardee. Another certificate of participation for joining the synchronized overnight and day camp. Those are the set of our academic awardee of the class 2025. And now let us come to the awarding for the non-academic awards. So may I request Ma'am Aloha and Ma'am Sheila Bismonte to please help us in distributing the award.
Barangay Captain Danilo B. Balisio. Given to Ma'am Leia B. Dano. Miss Marites B. Balmes. Miss Nancy B. Bandol.
Mrs. Rhoda B. Reslinda. Mrs. Maria April D. Año Nuevo.
Mrs. Sheila B. Bismonte.
Public School District Supervisor, Ma'am Cristina Sibutidon, to our dynamic school principal, Ma'am Levi Arok, to our very supportive barangay officials, Barangay Captain Enrico Ballester, and Barangay Councilor Cheryl Lu Aglipa, and Barangay officials sa Sangguniang Bayan Representative, GPTA officers, dear teachers, proud parents, co-graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Today, we are celebrating a monumental moment in our lives. As I stand at this incredible milestone, I am filled with a deep gratitude for everyone who has been part of my journey. Graduation is not just a personal achievement, but a reflection of the support, guidance, and love I've received from family. Especially from my parents, my mom, Sheena, and my dad, Junior. Thank you for your unbending belief in me, even when I doubted myself. You've always been my foundation, supporting me to chase my dreams, whether it was late night study sessions, words of encouragement before an exam, or just being there when I needed to talk. You've been my rock. Your love, encouragement, and sacrifices have been the foundation of which I built my dreams. As I embark on this next adventure, I know I'll carry your lessons and your love with me. I'm excited to see what my future holds. But I'm excited that and confident that with your guidance, I can achieve anything I set in mind to. To my friends, your companionship and shared experiences have made this journey unforgettable. Each moment, whether joyful or challenging, was made brighter because of you. It is a day we've all worked toward, dreamt about, and dedicated years of hard work to achieve. To all my teachers, Ma'am Nancy, Ma'am Emily, Ma'am Nanette, Ma'am Janice, and Ma'am Rhoda, Ma'am Sheila, Ma'am Tin, and Ma'am April, you mold me into becoming what I am right now. I'm beyond grateful for the positive influence you've had on my life. And I will always remember your kindness and encouragement. I will carry the lessons you've taught me with me as I continue to grow. To our beloved principal, Maria, your wisdom, dedication, and patience will shape my understanding and fuel my passion for learning. You've taught me not only academic knowledge, but also invaluable life lessons that I will carry forever. Our batch was challenged as the pandemic era during our primary years was put into distance learning, where we had to learn by ourselves remotely. It was hard for us to adjust to the new situation. Yet, we adapted and survived. Pandemic ka lang, matatag kami. Through this, we learned to navigate digital platforms and stay disciplined without a physical classroom structure. We found support with one another, even when we couldn't be physically present. So here we are, resilient and always optimistic in everything that we learn. This graduation is an evidence that the passion of learning, amidst challenges from the pandemic era, does not hinder us to pursue for the next chapter of our lives. This is not just the end of a chapter, but the beginning of a new adventure. I'm excited for what lies ahead. I will always cherish the lessons learned, the friendship forged, and the memories created during this time. Above all, we would like to extend our earnest and deepest thanks to God Almighty for the abundant life He bestowed us. We thank you for the confidence, courage, and determination that you showered us. Congratulations, fellow graduates. God bless us all. Always remember the steps we take in our lives and the empires we live forever. Never stop believing in ourselves. Let us all High Batch 2025 and once again, good evening.
The graduate do solemnly pledge that we will be conscious of our duties and responsibilities as graduate of San Isidro Elementary School, we promise to give her our unswerving loyalty in thought, word, and deed.
At this juncture, we believe that parents have given their children their best effort despite life's hardship and have shown a great love of care for their child. Dear parents, you have persevered in working, so let's make use of this opportunity. as the graduates pave their ways to give tributes to their parents. Graduation ceremony. Once again, congratulations to all our graduates and their families. Thank you for being with us tonight and celebrating this special milestone.
This has been Nancy B. Bandol.
And Dea B. Bigueras. May you all have a wonderful day ahead. Congratulations!